Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install PNC Bank mobile banking application. To download and install PNC Bank mobile application, first you have to tap open your Play Store on Android, or if you are using iOS device, you have to go to your App Store, tap open your App Store or the Play Store. Once you do this, on the bottom right you will see search icon, tap on it. On your top, you will see search bar. Tap on the search bar. Enter PNC Bank Mobile Banking. Then search it up. Once you do this, tap on PNC Mobile. Now you have the option to install. Tap on Install. It may take some time. Now the app is installing. The app has been installed successfully. To open the application, tap on Open. Once you download this application, you can sign into the application and use it to manage your finances conveniently from your device. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.